The scientific name of vascular plants are Tracheophyta. Examples of plants in the seed group of vascular plants are pines, spruces, and junipers.
Examples of plants in the seedless group of vascular plants are ferns, club mosses, and horsetails. All plants are eukaryotic and multicellular. In level of organization, seedless vascular plants made a major breakthrough in plant evolution because they developed a way to transport materials around the plant body.
Plants use xylem to move water and minerals around the plant body and phloem to transport sugars from photosynthesis. Seed vascular plants reproduce by creating seeds rather than spores and are classified as gymnosperms and angiosperms. Gymnosperms are vascular plants that create cones to house their seeds.
Examples of gymnosperms include large trees such as cedars, numlocks, pines, and spruces. Angiosperms are vascular plants that create their seeds inside fruits or flowers and are often referred to as flowering plants. Examples include sunflowers, dogwood trees, elm trees, lilies, and maple trees. Plants in general reproduce by alteration of generations. Seed and seedless vascular plants live in many places, such as a forest, the woods by your house, your garden at home, and in fields. What makes a seedless vascular plant unique is that it has a true vascular tissue, and they do not produce seeds. They are more like the plants you keep in your house, like ferns. On the other hand, seed vascular plants are more like trees, pines, etc. That's what makes them unique and differ from each other.
Time for another Forest Fact Break, brought to you by the Oregon Forest Resources Institute. Today's topic, photosynthesis. Do you like to breathe? Sure, we all do. We need oxygen to breathe, and we also need something to absorb the carbon dioxide that we exhale. Fortunately, a large portion of our oxygen comes from our forests. So, how do trees give us oxygen? It's called photosynthesis, and it works like this. Trees absorb water through their roots and carry it to their leaves and needles. At the same time, tiny holes in the leaves and needles absorb carbon dioxide from the air. The water and the carbon dioxide collect in little cell globs called chloroplasts that contain chlorophyll. It's the stuff that gives plants their green color. Chlorophyll uses sunlight as fuel to transform carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and sugar.
Ta-da!
The trees use the sugars to grow bigger and stronger, storing carbon in the process as wood, and release the oxygen back into the atmosphere for us to breathe. And they do it day in and day out for their entire lives. Whew! Thanks, trees. And that's the story on photosynthesis. Check out more forest fact breaks or visit OregonForest.org.
Yay, forests!